Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with another video, and today's video is going to be on this hair, ISHOW hair. I was sent some bundles and a closure. Yes honey, a closure. And I'm going to show you how to get this gorgeous style. I absolutely love it. I've been wanting to do this style for a while now, so yeah, just stay tuned and I will show you how I got to this style. It's super duper easy, so just stay tuned. So we're gonna get right into how the packaging looks when you get your package from ISHOW hair. And these are the bundles that I got. Now I did get the loose wave, I believe, a 22 inch, a 20 inch, a 18 inch, and my closure, 4x4 closure, was 16 inches. So yeah, there that is. And I'm gonna go ahead and open one of the bundles up so you guys can see how gorgeous this hair is when you first get it. Like, it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. So yeah, and I loved how the ends were really nice. They weren't split or anything. I really like that as well. So yeah, so here I'm just taking my hard bristle brush and some Eco Styler gel, and I'm just gonna put this hair, that portion of hair that I parted off, and put that into a ponytail, smack dab on top. I really like my ponytails to be high up on my head, so yeah, if you're not into that, you definitely don't have to do it that high, but I like mine pretty high up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take like I said, the Eco Styler gel, and put it in a ponytail. I'm using rubber bands because they get a little bit tighter for this amount of hair, so I just use 2 rubber bands just to secure this ponytail. Now when I was making the wig, I had a little extra piece of hair, so I'm going to go ahead and add this to the ponytail just to give it a little more density to the ponytail. I don't want the ponytail too thick because it's already, you know, kind of a lot of hair, so it looks like a lot of hair anyway, which is really good. I like the density of it, but I didn't want the ponytail to be too much, so I'm just adding that small piece to the ponytail and just securing it with straight pins. Now this piece right here is actually a piece of synthetic hair, and I just braided it, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around. You definitely can use like crochet hair that's braided or twisted, whatever you want to use. I just like how this adds just a different look to the entire ponytail, and also it adds a little bit more height to the ponytail as well. So, and I'm just going to secure this with pins as well, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with Pump It Up spritz later, but you'll see that in the video. So it looks like I used the Got to Be Free spray instead of the Pump It Up spritz. So yeah, either one will do. So I'm going to take my hot comb, and I'm going to get the sides as flat as possible. And yeah, this is pretty much the entire look. It was super duper easy to do. I absolutely love it. I did not change the actual texture of this hair at all. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. So now that I have gotten this wig off of the mannequin head and got some slight makeup on, I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on. Now you definitely don't have to adhere it to your head if you don't want to, especially if you made your wig to fit your exact dimensions of your head. I'm going to just go ahead and just use some powder for right now to camouflage that lace that really didn't get lifted as well as I wanted it to. So this is what it's looking like. I'm absolutely loving this wig. I'm gonna basically just use some of the Eco Styler gel just to create some slight baby hair, super duper minimal with this one. I didn't want it to be too much. I didn't want anything to take away from the actual ponytail style. So yeah, sometimes I'm minimal with them and sometimes I just go OD with my baby hairs. It just depends on how I feel. So you guys really have to let me know how you feel about this hair down below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Make sure you check the description box for any coupon codes and all of that good stuff. And I appreciate you guys' support so much. Pray for me as I continue to pray for you guys, and I'll see you queens in my next video.